Hello friends, I am Madhu Lakhotia and welcome to my channel Words and Expressions. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I request to stay with us till the end. Today we are going to discuss the alternatives to correct, the word correct, and the words abstruse and abundant, and the expressions not fit to hold a candle to and burn one's fingers. Today, first we are going to discuss the alternative words to correct. The words are also very familiar to us, but we don't replace the word correct with those words. The words are right, true, and accurate. For example, how many answers did you get right? Here we generally use correct, but we can also use right. Then, this is absolutely true. And last, your method is accurate. Number 2, abstruse. It means difficult to understand. For example, this is an abstruse philosophical essay. One more example and very relatable example is Einstein's complex theories are an example of abstruse theories. Number 3, abundant. Though it is a very common adjective, but we can replace this word with the most common expression, more than enough, because in our day-to-day conversation as well as in our writing, we frequently use more than enough, but we can easily replace this expression with the word abundant. For example, there is abundant evidence that cars have a harmful effect on the environment. One more example is cheap consumer goods are abundant in this part of the world. Number 4, not fit to hold a candle. It means not to be named in comparison with someone. For example, he is not fit to hold a candle to his predecessors. One more example is the sequel wasn't bad, but it's not fit to hold a candle to the original. The last one, burn one's fingers. It means get oneself into trouble. For example, he burnt his fingers by interfering in his neighbor's affairs. One more example is Rita burnt her fingers in the stock market and has been timid about investing ever since. Let us give a quick revision. The alternatives to correct are the words right, true, and accurate. The word abstruse means difficult to understand. The word abundant means more than enough. The expressions not fit to hold a candle to means not to be named in comparison with someone. And the last one, burn one's fingers. It means get oneself into trouble. So here we have completed today's 5 words and expressions. Any type of suggestions will be highly appreciated. Feel free to ask your queries in the comment box. Thank you.